Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel, and we have been mining on our RX 570 4GB card for over 24 hours now, so we have a good idea of what it's making over on Unminable. We are mining Raven, and it's auto-converting to Dogecoin, so let's see how much Doge we mined in 24 hours. Let me flip on over here to, where are we? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There we are. All right, so over here on Unminable, let's get a fresh refresh. I have 51 unpaid Doge at the moment. Payments, referral code, stats. There we go. So in the past 24 hours, I have mined 5.61 Doge on my single RX 574 gig. If we go to Dogecoin price, let's see what that hot price is right there. Looks like it's actually down a little bit, so that's going to hurt our overall, what we actually made. So let's type that in. 0.291 times our 5.61 times 5.61. Our RX 574 gig mined $1.63 worth of Dogecoin in 24 hours. Now, would we have been better off to mine Raven coin directly from a pool? Probably. Let's actually go to what to mine and find out. So right now, a RX 574 gig, boom, we'll pop that in there, calculate, would be mining Raven coin at $1.79 a day. So I missed out on what was that? That's 16 cents, isn't it? Yeah, take away at 1.79. Yeah, almost 16 cents we missed out on by mining and getting paid out in Dogecoin. Obviously, I'm just doing this for a test. I'm probably going to leave this thing mining for, maybe we'll go a full week and we'll see how much Doge we end up with. But it's been fun, you know. It's a fun little speculative thing. If Doge goes up, potentially those 5 Dogecoin, say if Doge goes back to 50 cents, so 5 Dogecoin times 50 cents, that means I would have been I would have been mining at $2.50 a day if I sold at that point. So it's kind of one of those things. It's cost, risk analysis, all those things jumbled together. Now obviously if Dogecoin goes to like 2 pennies, that would have been worth like 10 cents. So it could be real good or it could be real bad, ladies and gentlemen. That is all up for you to decide. And that's pretty much it. If you do want to learn how to mine Dogecoin or get paid out in Dogecoin over on Unminable, they have a lot of different ways that you can actually do this. So you don't have to have a card that can mine Ethereum. You don't have to have a card that can mine Raven coin. But you do have to have something that can mine. So you just go to Unminable, click on it. I'll actually have the how to mine link down below. But currently they support ETH hash, which is Ethereum, ETC hash, which is Ethereum Classic, Kapow, and then Random X. So if you have a computer, even with no graphics card, just a CPU, you can still mine on the CPU. We've done some old videos where we mined on laptops, we mined on desktops, we mined on a little bit of everything. If you'd like to see me go back and do some of those kind of videos, let me know. I always like these results videos, though, because it's kind of like putting the rubber to the road. It's, seeing what it actually did. So thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. I really do appreciate y'all coming out. I was just keeping this short and sweet, kind of showing you what it did. Now, I did also want to bring up the fact that the Parallel Miner 1500 watt Platinum power supply kits are back in stock. These sell out super fast. I went ahead and got me another kit, and I also got, if you go up here, they have the H110 Pro BTCs, which are 13 GPU mining boards. These are really good boards. I had one and it was broken, so I was like, dang, I gotta actually buy one. I paid way less than $279 years ago, but right now $279 is actually a little bit under the eBay prices. So if you can find them cheaper, that's great. I am going to be doing a YouTube video on like budget motherboard setups. But I mean, if you need to run 13 GPUs back to back. I mean, it's hard to beat an old school ASRock H110 Pro BTC, and that's crazy because these things are not like new. These have been out for a long time. They only have 39 of those left in stock. I doubt those will get restocked just because I don't even know where they're getting them. Are they? I don't think these are still in production. I mean, they might be. I'm not sure, but anyway, these bad boys. Link for this and the Pro BTC down below. It's affiliate link, so if you use it, it helps me. If you don't want to use it, just go to parallelminer.com. Awesome company. I have some more stuff coming in from them because I'm doing a 13 card RX 570 build, courtesy old Boar Dumpster in the Discord. He's selling some stuff off. I think he's actually done selling stuff off, but yeah, I bought some cards from him. So look out for a 13 GPU rig coming in hot and ready. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. I'm thinking maybe the next one, I'm going to leave this card on Doge, but I kind of want to mine. I mean, I hate to say it, I'm a sucker for some shit coins. Oh man, I just said the bad word. Please don't demonetize me, YouTube. I'm a sucker for crap coins. Now, a lot of these are probably really good coins. A lot of people were telling me Algorand is something I need to mine up some just to hold for long term. I'm thinking I mined up some Shiba in the past, so I got a little bit of that. I don't know, I think it was like 40 or 50 million I mined up in just a couple days. I'm obviously keeping my main farm on Ethereum, but a lot of my little cards, or older cards, not necessarily little, I'll use those with doing some experimenting. Oh, I wanted to show you guys. Hold on. Look what I found. Hold on. My headphones were dragging. Got something to show y'all. Let me make the screen big so you can see it. I thought I lost this when I moved everything out to the garage. Bam! The R9 290X. This is a 4 GB card, and it is a beast of a card. It takes 2 8-pins, burns a ton of power, and I'm thinking I might throw it together in one of my old PCs just to do some speculative mining on one of these. We'll probably do the CPU and the GPU just to see what an old card will do. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, if you guys have any requests, drop them down below. What should we try out on Unminable next? And I guess if somebody comments something and that's the one you want, just like theirs, and whoever gets the most likes, and I don't know, I'll probably check back in a couple days, that's the next one we'll do. So we're trying to mine some 1 inch, what a name, some chilies. Is that chilies or chills? That's chilies. That's CHILIZ. Some chili Z for the hot dog. Some old Hollow, Matic, Polygon, Shiba, Algorand, Cosmos, Bitcoin, Digibyte. I mean, there's a bunch of stuff on here. They have tons and tons of stuff. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm going to get off here. Y'all have a good night. We'll see you on the next one. Pump it. Oh, hold on. I did want to look at... I wanted to show you guys the RX 570s were actually... they were coming down in price a little bit. The 4 GB cards. Check this out. Buy it now. 165. Oh, that one's dead. That link's dead. Buy it now. 200 bucks. 250. Okay, they're still kind of expensive, but these things can mine. If you go over to like what to mine, they're mining, what was it, $1.60, $1.70 a day. So let's see if you put it straight on Ravencoin. What's the most profitable thing to mine on these? Looks like $1.46 after power on Ergo. We'll say before power because everybody's power is a little bit different, so they can figure out that themselves. $1.79 on Ravencoin. Say we bought one at, well, we're not gonna buy the cheapest one. Say we jumped up $258. It's 250 bucks and $8 shipping. So we got 258, and we're gonna divide that by 1.79. Yep, 1.79. That bad boy is 144-day return on investment. Obviously, the return on investment triggers a lot of people because we're butchering the meaning of it. But you know what? We've been saying ROI for years, so we're just going to keep on ruining the definition. ROI, ROI, ROI. Trigger, trigger, trigger. Anyway, yeah, so 144 days. That's actually a a shorter ROI time than that 2070 Super I just bought. That makes me feel even worse about buying that thing. Anyway, guys, for real, I'm getting off for real this time. Have a good night. Peace. Adios. We'll see you on the next one. Bam.